Hey, lift your head up. You've been hiding that light for too long. Look at me. I see the teardrops falling, ruining your makeup lines, hiding the sparkle that usually shines. You've been carrying a burden that isn't yours to hold, letting the sorrow make your warm heart feel cold. But looking at you now, even in your pain, you are the flower waiting for the end of the rain. It hurts me to see you looking down at the ground, when you are the most precious thing that I have ever found.
Take a deep breath, let the heavy sigh go. There is a radiance inside you that you need to show.
The past is a shadow, but the present is bright. It's time to step out of the dark and into the light. Yeah. Yeah. You don't have to cry anymore. Dry those pretty eyes. You were made to dazzle under these blue skies. Just shining with your beautiful face. Let the world see the stunning definition of who you are meant to be. No more sadness, no more hiding the glow. You are a diamond, baby. Put on the show. Shining with your beautiful face, lighting up the room.
Chasing away the shadows and the heavy gloom. When you finally smile, the whole energy shifts like the clouds breaking open, giving us gifts. Your beauty isn't just the features I see, it's the light in your spirit setting everyone free. You are too gorgeous to be buried in grief. Turning the page is the ultimate relief, so fix your crown. Stand up tall and proud, you are the silver lining on every single cloud. The universe loves you, the mirror tells the truth. Celebrate the beauty of your eternal youth.
I'll be the umbrella if the rain starts to fall, but I know you're strong enough to stand through it all. Your eyes are like oceans, deep and so clear, that there is no room left for the doubt or the fear. Just radiance, just grace, the perfect picture of your beautiful face. You don't have to cry anymore. Dry those pretty eyes. You were made to dazzle under these blue skies. Just shining with your beautiful face. Let the world see the stunning definition of who you are meant to be. No more sadness, no more hiding the glow. You are a diamond, baby. Put on the show. Shining with your beautiful face, lighting up the room. Chasing away the shadows and the heavy gloom. Chasing away the shadows and the heavy gloom. Yeah, just like that. Keep shining. No more tears, just your beautiful face.